what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart and take the track off and disassemble this, take the nozzle off, and just take it all the way down to the point where all you're going to have is just the tool body, and then this is going to be separate in the individual parts, and show you how each one of these parts go on and put together, and so it's easy for you to take a tool apart and put it back together. Of course, you can see these two screws hold this little bracket on, which is actually a protection in case something comes over and hits this.
Yes.
It won't bend the clips. It'll hit this and deflect it.
Yes, it won't. Yeah, it won't. Okay.
And you can have something hit back here or there, but this was just to help in case a piece of rebar comes across. You don't bend the leg in the clip and then it jams. So it's designed, and that usually stays on. You put it on the safety, and if you work on a tool, you'll pull this off, set it aside, do what you need to do, put it back on anyway. So it's relatively simple.
Those are Allen keys, yeah?
Yeah, these are Allen wrenches. It's metric Allen wrenches. Now you get some with the tool. A new tool.
Oh, really? Oh.
Yeah, it's going to have these.
You know what?
What got it? No, they got it. He's got it torqued.
Good thing you haven't been opened before. Yeah, perfect. That's a good job on the tool, huh?
Yeah. Well, it's good to keep it locked in really
exactly,
good.
Yeah. Because all the vibration, yeah.
That releases the safety where we can take that off. These are the screws that hold the
nozzle.
The track on.
Oh, the track, okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, the nozzle, those are up there, up here that release the nozzle. This will get the track loose, and it'll get it out of the way so you can work on this if you need to. And you got to put it back in.
Exactly.
It's harder to get going. It's hard to get started. So that'll help you in the long run. This is a. It's got a little. You can see it's got that little like a bushing on it, so it won't go all the way down in there. And that's designed to keep that from squeezing and holding that too tight. And that comes out real easy. And when you're putting it back in, you got to make sure you don't want it down like that. You want it up, because what's going to happen, you keep it up, because when you drive this in, it has to go under there.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, I've seen guys take it and go like this.
Oh, and the pin goes on top.
And they grab it and they go like this, and they
pin goes
and
here.
they push it.
The pin should go under.
Right. And they push it in there, and they go, okay, let's see, there it is, and they push it in, and it's down like this,
Yeah.
and then all of a sudden they drive that in, it gets in a bind, and they don't realize it, but anyway, so you always have it up when you put it back in. Use a, you notice I use this lock needle nose pliers, because it's easier to work on it with one person. It's like a person holding it for you.
Yeah.
It makes it easier. So it'll make life easier if you can get some the Loctite
nose plier.
Yeah, and but see, that's the way those other ones are supposed to come out. And I don't know. I think there's a possibility that Padon might have cross-threaded those couple of screws. Got in a hurry, cross-threaded them, ran them in there, and that brings this down towards just the tool body. This is the nose piece that I was telling you about that we have to have made in
For
order
the
for
gel-
our nozzle. This is called the nozzle, what the nozzle fits onto. And on the 3 tool I was telling you about, we have to make one out of steel like this.
Yes.
So we could put it on there that will fit the 3 nozzle. Then we incorporated that, and that's what we're in the process of doing to make that 10 millimeter tool to where it's the same body as this and not that little bitty tool.